pretty sure you've been thinking about replacing your roof. Maybe you said the next year and pushed it off. If so, this is your video. We totally get it. Maybe you think you don't have the money. Maybe you're worried it means tons of paperwork. Or maybe you just don't trust any roofing company in your area. But here is the truth. The longer you wait without a plan, the more expensive it gets. This video is here to help you get ready. Just facts, tips, real prices, so you can start 2026 with clarity and ready to do something about your roof. Hey everyone, this is Clay from Roofing Nation. We are a roofing company based in South Florida with over 10 years of experience. And we specialized in residential roofs built for Florida's extreme sun, storms, and humidity. We've installed hundreds of shingle, tile, and metal roofs in Miami, Broward, Palm Beach, and everywhere in between. And this year, we've helped over 50 families upgrade their roofs with smarter, longer-lasting materials while keeping their budget in check. So if you're planning to replace your roof in 2026, trust me, what you will hear in this video could save you thousands. So let's start. Tip number 1. Know what you need versus what you want. Do you need a full replacement or just a repair? Here is the rule of thumb. If the damage is isolated, 1, 2 leaks, some missing shingles, a repair might be fine. But let me tell you something. If your roof has had 3 or more repairs or more than 25% of it is damaged, you are wasting money on patches. You need a full replacement. Let me tell you a story that happened recently, okay? One of our customers in Pembroke Pines had 4 leak repairs in under 2 years. She spent nearly $4,000 patching it up, then had to replace it anyway after another storm. If she had replaced it from the start, she had have saved $2,500. Tip number 2. Get your paperwork in order. Now, I know this could be annoying, but I promise you, we keep it simple. This includes a copy of your last permit, photos of your current roof, HOA guidelines, your insurance policy info. When you have this ready, everything goes faster. From getting quotes to pulling permits. Don't wait until the contractor asks you for them. Tip number 3. Know the real cost before you plan. Here is what you should budget for a typical 2,000 square foot Florida home. Calculated at the moment we are recording this video, and let me call our project manager, okay? Hold on. So, asphalt shingles around $16,434. Tiles approximately $25,647. Metal around $29,833. Remember, these are estimates. Material costs change. But this gives you a strong starting point. And don't forget to leave for permits, inspections, and unexpected structural fixes. Tip number 4. Don't assume it will be done in 2 days. A roof job takes more than just nailing down shingles. You need time for permits to be approved, materials to arrive, weather windows, or inspections and cleanup. We had a project in Doral delayed 5 days because of back-to-back rain, and the city didn't do final inspection until the next week. So if you are on a deadline, plan early and stay flexible. Tip number 5. Be honest about how long you will stay in the home. If you're moving in 3-5 years, shingles may make sense. We already talked about this some videos ago. But if you're staying 10-12 years, you will likely replace shingles again or deal with insurance headaches. Metal and tile roofs can last 40 to 70 years, and they qualify for major discounts from your insurance company. Tip number 6. Your dream roof might not be the right one. We've seen homeowners fall in love with tile, but their house structure wasn't built to handle the weight. Or they want black metal but didn't realize how hot that can get in full sun. We'll help you match your house structure, sun exposure, and budget to the best option, not just the prettiest one, okay? Tip number 7. Financing can make it possible. Are you worried about cost? We get it. That's why we offer financing options for qualified homeowners. Low payments, transparent terms, no hidden tricks. Don't let cash flow delay your safety. You can get a new roof now and pay over time, just like your car. But it protects your whole house, you know? Tip number 8. Look into grants and incentives. In 2025-2026, Florida's My Safe Florida Home program is back. It gives you up to $10,000 in roof upgrade grants if your inspection qualifies. The best part, metal and tile are often approved. But if you wait too long, the money runs out. So don't miss the chance, okay? Now, tip number 9. Understand the permitting process. Each city has its own rules. Some require engineer letters. Some won't meet roof inspections. This can delay your timeline if you're not ready. We handle this for you. But the earlier you start, the smoother it goes. And finally, tip number 10. Don't wait until hurricane season. If you're replacing your roof sometime in 2026, aim for it before June. Why? Because once hurricane season starts, permits slow down, supply chains jam up, emergency jobs take priority. We had to turn down jobs in July simply because we were fully booked. Earlier you book, the better your chances of being ready when storm hits. Replacing your roof in 2026 doesn't have to be stressful, but it does require a little planning and the right partner. At Roofing Nation, we walk you through every step: inspection, permits, material choices, budgeting, and final install. And we do it without pressure. Just strike talk and Florida proven results. If you're thinking about replacing your roof next year, give us a call and mention you saw this video. We will give you a priority support and show you real options based on your home and your goals. And if this helped you, subscribe to Roofing Nation's channel so you're always on a step ahead when it comes to your home. So see you on the next video.